Besties, the best time to improve your finances is now. Yes, you heard me. The second best time is actually when you see this video. It could be days from the date of release. And as you can see from the title, I am back again with another video that will help you make at least $20 per hour working. I know that time is money and I don't want to waste yours. So let's get started. Actually, guys, money is everywhere. Like I always say on this channel, you just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, trust me, you will never be broke again. If you're new to this channel, please introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you. I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? Where are you watching from? Now, do you want to get paid to buy groceries, gas, and other household items? Guess what? In today's video, I've got you guys covered. Best is I will show you step by step. Yes, so far, if you have used AI to find trending niches, I mean keywords and content ideas that you can use to create your own viral content, and all of that is great. But the point of this tutorial, of today's video, is to actually show you how to make money with this. So let's get right to the good part, and let me show you how you're actually going to create your own viral content in a money making website so that you can finally start making money online. Now, the next thing you want to do is to come over to the websites that you see on my screen here called Hostinga. So go to hostinga.com. There is a link to the app down below, and please, now Hostinga is a web hosting site that it includes an AI website builder that will build an entire website for you in just a few clicks with a simple text prompt. Again, for this example, I'm going to get Hostinga AI to build a monetized affiliate blog for me. But what if you want to sell your own digital or physical products instead of affiliate products? Well, Hostinga AI can also build your entire online store for you with just a simple text prompt where you can sell any type of products that you want. And the best thing about Hostinga, besides its amazing AI tools, is that it is very inexpensive. Yes, very affordable to use, especially compared to all other online website builders out there right now. You can see right here it costs less than a cup of coffee per month. Plus, I have a personal discount code that I'm going to give you to get an additional 10% off as well. The discount code is also down below and also in my checklist. But one point I need to note out is that when you're creating your accounts, make sure that you choose the business plan so that you get access to all of the AI tools. So once you've created your Hostinga account, let me show you how to get the AI to create your monetized website for you and all of your affiliate blogs too. Now, inside your account, you're going to click on the websites option and then open the AI websites builder by clicking this button right here. It will open up the AI website builder prompt box. Now, one quick thing I need to say is that I'm going to go through this pretty quickly because I've already created multiple full tutorials over on my channels. Yes, on how to use the Hostinga. Yes, it should be in a separate playlist. So for the sake of time, I'm going to go through this pretty quickly. If you need more help creating your websites, I will link my full Hostinga tutorial in the video checklist. Now, to get to Hostinga AI to create your websites, all you need to do is enter your brand name. If you don't have a brand name or a business name yet, you can enter a keyword here for now, then change it later, then next. Give it the text prompt telling the AI what type of website you want it to create for you. You can copy and paste my Hostinga prompt from the video checklist. Just make sure again to change this part here to include your own chosen niche, and also update this part with the type of website that you wanted to create for you. I've entered blog, but you can also choose, online store or landing page, for example. Next, click create website. Yes, click on the button, then Hostinga AI will analyze and your prompts, and in a few seconds it will create an entire website for you that is completely tailored to your niche. For example, I asked it to create an affiliate blog for me, and you can see here this website includes images that perfectly fit my niche, and it also has links for my social media accounts, and most importantly, it created an entire affiliate blog for me. And if you open the AI tool menu right here, you can see that Hostinga AI will even write my affiliate blog posts for me. To do that, you're going to click the AI blog generator. Next, you have to change these options at the top to whatever you like. Now, next, choose the tone, the number of words, and then you're going to enter the prompts that you see on my screen right now. Copy and paste from the checklist. Make sure to change out the niche and also this section here where you need to copy your own affiliate link. Make sure that check my previous video because this is the continuation of this in case you're kind of like confused. Come back over to ChatGPT, copy the summary that it created for you, and in the last step, paste it below, yes, below the prompts that you just entered. Then you're going to hit submit. Hostinga AI will create a perfect blog post for you, including your affiliate links. Now, again, I know I went through this pretty quickly, but if you need more help or you want more details on how to create your own website using Hostinga AI, just go and check my full tutorial on my channel. You might be thinking, you don't want to create a blog. Maybe you want to create a faceless, video or faceless YouTube channel. Once again, you can use AI to do that using apps like InVideo. Just like you did with Hostinga, all you have to do is to prompt the AI to create a video for you based on the summary that ChatGPT wrote for you, and in a few minutes you will have a perfect video created for you about a proven viral topic that your audience cannot wait to watch. You can then post these videos on any video sharing apps like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or even host it on your new website that you just created in Hostinga. You can also use the seed prompt to create engaging Twitter or threads posts based on the video summary. Or if you want, if you prefer to create image-based content, then you can use an AI image generator to create viral images based on your chats. Yes, ChatGPT keywords on your niche. Now, you can post those images on Pinterest or as your pins or Instagram carousels or Facebook posts. And if you want to monetize your content in a completely different way other than affiliate products, you can do that too. You can grow the seed prompt once again and ask ChatGPT to write an ebook for you based on your keywords or video summary, and then sell that ebook as a digital product on your Hostinga website. Now, if you really want to start making the most amount of money online with this strategy that I just shared with you, there is one last thing you also need to do. Repeat the process and continue to create more and more content, posting to many platforms as possible. Of course, when you're starting out, it's okay to stick to one type of content and on one platform. But if you really want to get to $1,000 days quickly, you want to make $1,000 in one day as quickly as possible, you want to work towards expanding your content strategy to as many platforms as possible. Posting on multiple platforms will maximize your reach so you can get more traffic to your products and your offers, and it will result in more money in your pocket, definitely. What I really want to point out here is the amazing thing about this new ChatGPT search feature and the new seed prompt strategy. The opportunities are literally endless. You can use it in any way that you can imagine to create the most engaging and training content, which is tailored specifically to your niche, yes, and also tailored to your audience, and it's going to generate clicks and make more money for you 24/7. Now it's backed by real life data thanks to the new ChatGPT feature. It sounds like rocket science, right? If it sounds like it, don't worry, just follow the prompts, go to the link in my description and use all the commands that I've shared with you guys in the free download. Yes, that way you are on your way to making good money with minimal efforts. That's why I said the 10-year-old can even start doing it. You don't need the camera, you don't need fancy equipment, you don't need any gear, any equipment to start with. Just a phone that works, and follow all of these commands, these prompts, and you're on your way to making thousands of dollars every single day. And I hope that with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you. I can actually make money from the comfort of your home. And if you are new to this channel, by all means, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I would like to know you and I would like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are just amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and massive support. I see you guys and I appreciate you. So while you're introducing yourselves, let me also go ahead and introduce myself as well. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And on this channel, I share 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Make it a date to join me on this channel like every single day. There's always something for you because I'm constantly researching opportunities just for you guys. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Till then, keep winning and keep sparkling for the girl chassis. Take care and bye for now.